We drove all the way to Malico, Pangasinan just to try an ube pizza. And honestly, we still can't decide if it was genius or a crime against pizza. But one thing's for sure, the road going there was absolutely worth it.
Eybie Journals.
Today we're heading to Malico, Pangasinan. It's a small mountain community near the Nueva Vizcaya border. People usually go there for the cold weather and the views. But we're going for something more important, ube pizza. Malico actually has a very small population compared to most tourist towns. Many of the original settlers here belong to the Kalanguya indigenous community. Life here moves differently. Even today, the area still feels simple and untouched compared to more commercial tourist spots. Oh, North! this is the moment we came here for. The UBE Pizza. I still don't know if I'm excited or concerned. Okay, my brain doesn't know if this is dessert or pizza.
Lasang ubi kakanin. Huwag mo nang tawagin pizza to. Pizza siya dahil bulog. Pero, yung kasi niya, parang ubi kakanin talaga. Hindi mo, ubing-ubi. Parang siyang ubi inado.
It's not bad, but it's definitely confusing. You can tell they were trying to make something creative. But for us, classic pizza still wins. Would we come back for the pizza? Maybe not. But would we come back for Malico? Definitely. Some places are memorable not because everything was perfect, but because the experience felt real. Still though, next time we might just order pepperoni.
Trouble inside, beating hearts don't lie. An empty page, a story to write. I'm in love, you're divine, and it's all in our signs. We're going away, get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made, lock your door, need no more. It's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. God, I'm praying I'm not alone in this air of hope. I'm in love, you're a star, burning bright in my heart. We're going away, get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made, lock your door, need no more. It's already paid, cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, we'll be I cannot go wrong. We're going away, I get you back, I check the tag. Journey